Oh, first one.
It's all or nothing, huh? Like, unless we get all of it.
Wait, they keep getting down and picking them up to try to get it in.
Oh, I guess we could do that if you want.
Can we have help?
You can get down and pick it up. No, it's all by yourself.
Yeah.
There's like a racket.
Take that into your consideration for your
Do my
dynamics.
calculations. Gax, quick, help me. What's the calculation?
I don't know. You're leaning forward. It's making me
I like
worry.
how all my chess is here to witness us studying for this round.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Not even close.
That almost fell.
So now what?
Go down, pick them up, and go back up.
Oh. Oh, Trevor got
Can we just
Was it less than 30 seconds? No, it wasn't. It wasn't.
It was less than 30 seconds.
No,
Get out of
it
here.
was 40 seconds.
Nice job, Trevor.
That was really
Nice
good.
job.
That has to be a
We're
minute.
done.
It's like sticking to my fingers.
it. Oh.
She got a real